WHILL Autonomous Mobility Service provide a safe and convenient mobility solution for hospital visitors and patients and residents at healthcare facilities. The service is easy to use for anyone. Simply get on and select your destination. You will then be autonomously driven to the location. The collision avoidance feature reduces the risk of collisions with other people in the surrounding environment. You can get off when you arrive, at which point the service is complete. The device will autonomously drive itself back to the designated area. Staff can have a real-time visual of where the devices are and the jobs they are executing. It will then park itself until the next trip. WHILL is proud to provide hospitals with safe and convenient mobility service for their visitors and patients.